Hello guys, good afternoon. Hope you are doing well, and I hope everybody's excited for our session. So today we are going to be trading gold for a New York session. We are going to be scalping. We are going to be scalping the opening range breakout. So here are the rules. First of all, you have to wait for 9:30. It's 9:30 New York time. You wait for the first 15-minute candles to form, or you wait for 15 1-minute candles to form. Then you mark the high and the low and the midpoint of that candle. So once you mark the high, the midpoint, and the low of that candle, you can drop down to your lower time frame. I usually drop down to the 1-minute time frame for my scalps. Drop down to the 1-minute time frame. So what you'll be looking for is a break of that range with a candle close. Able to be a break of that range, the candle close. Like right here, as you can see, during our session, the market tested the bottom of the range and rejected, and we had a candle close to the top side of the range. So what we are going to do is just set our buy limit at the midpoint. Our stop loss will be at the bottom of the range, and we will target 2R. So while waiting for our trade to be filled, we were just running through the market and looking to see what the market will do. There are various ways to trade the market opening range. You can use the top of the range, the midpoint of the range, and the bottom of the range as key levels to scalp. You need to just observe, is the top of the range acting as a support or a resistance? Is the midpoint of the range acting as a support or resistance? Is the bottom of the range acting as a support or resistance? So that's another way you can scalp your opening range. I usually do that, especially if we had a very large range. If the range was big, then I'll do that. But if we have a small range, I will scalp the. So right now, I saw during this trade session, there was room for a quick scalp over here, because gold was at the all-time. Gold had tested the all-time high. I was anticipating there might be a bit of a pullback, almost 10 to 20 pips, but that was not the case. This is the reality about trading. Sometimes you lose. Most people don't usually like to lose, but you cannot win all the time. Sometimes you lose. Most of the times you lose, but you have a good strategy and good money management, then even if you lose, you should still turn up in profits by the end of the day. So the time for the scalp was already over. The market had moved almost 100% of that range. So I went back to the 5-minute time frame to look for other opportunities, because scalping the opening range breakout for me was already over. So right now on the 5-minute time frame, I was waiting to see if market was going to sweep by liquidity, and we are already close to lunch break, and I usually stop trading by lunch. And right now it was lunch break. So I was done for the session.